So guys, welcome to this voice change, passive infinitive and modals. Guys, we all know about infinitive sentence. What is infinitive, Rishita?
Sir, I don't know infinitive sentence.
Infinitive, if you don't know, infinite, you know.
Yes, infinite I know.
So this is just like infinite only.
But
Voice change with
infinite,
infinite
sir,
word. That
the
is
very
to.
infinite verb is there, na? That to do and
But this time passive sentence, normally what we have learned that whenever there is a preposition to comes, we cannot change into passive. But right now we will do some exercise where passive will be made with preposition to.
okay.
Okay, so these are bit special, bit more advanced. Devabruto, are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this voice change is called passive infinitive and modals. What exactly it is, we will see today. The passive infinitive and modals are used in some constructions using the passive voice. You know, during making passive voice, uh, these are also some of the ways we do in, passive sentence. Normally, what we learned in our previous classes that whenever there is a preposition to comes, we cannot change into passive. But this is totally different. This is more advanced. In this passive sentences, you will see preposition to. It is particularly common to indicate what is possible or what is correct. Guys, this is very important. Try to understand. जब भी हम अपने किसी सेंटेंस में ये बोलना चाहते हैं कि हाँ ये पॉसिबल है, ये सही है, it is possible or it is correct, then we normally use this. इसको हम लोग हर समय यूज नहीं करते. ये जो पैसिव इंफिनिटिव सेंटेंसेस है, ये तब ज्यादा यूज होता है जब हम बोलते हैं कि हाँ ये पॉसिबल है, ये सही है. तो ये सब जब हम बोलते हैं किसी सेंटेंस में, तब हम इसका यूज ज्यादा करते हैं. The passive infinitive is formed. ये पैसिव इंफिनिटिव में कैसा यूज होता है ना, सेंटेंस में टू बी होता है और उसके साथ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल होता है. ये लिख लीजिए कहीं पे. ये पैसिव इंफिनिटिव सेंटेंस का जो सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है, वहां पे जो वर्ब होता है उसमें इनफाइनाइट वर्ड रहता है टू, फिर बी आता है, प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल होता है. हम जब एग्जाम्पल करेंगे तब आपको और ज्यादा समझ में आएगा.
Like, sir, to be forgotten.
Kind of to be
Okay, sir.
forgotten. Absolutely right. Very good observation, Devabruto. Very nice. To be forgotten. Very nice. Even with modals, passive modals are formed with be plus past participle. So infinite to is not available there. This is called passive modals. इसमें modal verbs आते हैं, उसके बाद be आता है, उसके बाद past participle आता है. देवव्रतो, modal verbs क्या है?
Modal verbs. So,
या
भूल गया
मानुषी, modal verbs क्या होता है?
Sir, modal verb should, could.
Absolutely right. Should,
yeah.
could. These are the modal verbs. Will, would. So passive modals में modal verb आता है, उसके बाद be आता है, उसके बाद past participle आता है. Okay, guys, I think the time has come to do some practice.
Hello, sir. Please repeat again of these sentences.
Now, we'll be doing some exercises. Practical exercise
Okay.
करेंगे तो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा.
Okay, sir.
तो अभी हम लोग करेंगे पैसिव इन्फिनिटिव. हाँ, तो मैं एक सेंटेंस दूंगा, आपको उसका पैसिव इन्फिनिटिव बनाना है. और बना के मुझे बोलना है। I am expecting they will give me pay rise next month. I am expecting they will give me pay rise next month. मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं, पॉसिबिलिटी। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हम लोग ने बात किया था ना कि टॉक्स अबाउट व्हाट इज पॉसिबल और व्हाट इज करेक्ट। तो यहाँ पे एक इंसान बोल रहा है कि आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दे विल गिव मी पे राइज नेक्स्ट मंथ। मतलब एक पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो लोग मेरा जो सैलरी है वो नेक्स्ट मंथ में बढ़ाएंगे। This is the sentence. I am expecting they will give me pay rise next month. So यहाँ पे आप passive infinitive मतलब to be फिर past participle को कैसे यूज करोगे? देवव्रत,
Sir, okay, sir, I can try.
yeah, try.
Okay, sir. I'm expecting they will to be given me pay
They
rise
will-
next month.
They will to be given me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are trying good, but it is not right. Rishita, how will you speak?
I'm expecting will be given. Wait.
You have to use that to be past participle.
तो
Keep
टू
in
बी
mind.
भी आएगा ना इसमें, टू
टू
बी
आएगा, बी आएगा और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आएगा।
और वहां पे क्या विल भी रहेगा, जो मॉडल वर्ब है वो भी।
उतना कुछ नहीं बोल सकता, आप एक बार ट्राई तो करो विल के साथ।
आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग टू बी। Sir, I'm expecting to be given my pay rise next month.
I'm expecting to be given.
Given.
I'm expecting to be given pay rise next month. I'm expecting to be given. Okay, you are also trying very good, very nice. देखो मीनिंग क्लियर होना चाहिए। I'm expecting to be given pay rise next month. ये जो सेंटेंस आप बोल रहे हो मुझे ये ग्रामेटिकली सही लग रहा है और मीनिंग भी समझ में आ रहा है। मानसी, will you try?
Yes, sir. They will. They will give me. They will give me pay rise next month to be expected. I am to expected. I am to be expected.
I am to be expected. Okay. I am to be expected. Okay, guys, and now I'll be showing you the sentence. I'm expecting to be given a pay rise next month. Yeah, Rishita, what you said?
Exactly the same, sir.
Yes, I'm expecting to be given a pay rise next month. I'm expecting to be given a pay rise next month. Very well tried, everyone. So you can see how to be given is mentioned here. This is called passive infinitive. Passive infinitive.
I mean, sir, এখানে যে সেন্টেন্সটা আছে অ্যাক্টিভ, I mean, they will, sir, এখান থেকে কি রিমুভ হয়ে যাবে, তাই তো? তার পরিবর্তে এটা আসবে to be given.
देखो they तो we will not use ना, they we talked about it कि they is the subject part.
Okay.
So normally in passive sentence we decided ना कि subject part उतना important नहीं है। Subject
Yes,
part
yes.
को आप add करो, I am expecting to be given pay rise next month by them. But वो by them is not that important. You can remove that. Not important.
Oh, okay, sir, okay.
तो आप देखो यहाँ पे दो सेंटेंस को एक सेंटेंस में हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया। I'm expecting they will give me pay rise next month. I'm expecting to be given a pay rise next month. In a one sentence, you are speaking the sentence. Okay. Now we'll go to the next sentence, and I'm expecting Manushi will be the speaker first.
Yes, sir.
She is hoping that everyone will elect her as president. She is hoping that everyone will elect her as president.
She is hoping to be elected her as president.
She is hoping to be elected.
Yes, she is hoping that everyone will elect her as a president. She is hoping that everyone will to be elected her as a president.
आप उसको एकदम एक सेंटेंस में बोलो, कोशिश करो एक सेंटेंस में टू बी लगा के आप कैसे बोल सकते हो? टू बी तो लगेगा ही, टू बी और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल.
She is hoping to be. She is hoping to be elected her as president.
Sir,
Elected. Just a minute, Manushi, let Manushi tell. She is hoping to be elected her.
As her, to be elected her as president.
She is hoping to be elected her as president. Okay. Yeah, Devabroto.
Yes, sir. She is hoping to be elected as president.
Acha, she is hoping to be elected as president.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishita, what do you suggest?
Sir, I agree with Devabrata. She is hoping to be elected as president.
Okay, let's see. Absolutely right. Very good. यहाँ पे आप as दे दोगे तो I think better होगा. She is hoping to be elected as president. Yeah, you can add as.
Yes.
Absolutely right. एकदम सही बोला आपने. Very good. आप तो सब सीख गए फिर आप.
कौन सा?
Manushi was the first speaker. Anyway, Manushi did. खाली Manushi ने हर लगा दिया था वहाँ पे. हर का जरूरत नहीं था.
She is hoping to be elected as.
हाँ, she is hoping to be elected as president. Very good. Now this time again I will go to Rishita first. Someone needs to wash the carpet.
The carpet is needed to be washed. The carpet is needed to wash.
यहाँ आपको to be लगाना पड़ेगा. Infinitive passive.
The carpet needs to be washed.
The carpet needs to be washed. Okay, Devabroto.
Yes, I also agree with Rishita.
What is the sentence?
The carpet needs to be washed.
Okay, yeah. Manushi.
Yes, sir. I also say the carpet needs to be washed. Yes.
Very good. Very nice.
Yeah.
Carpet needs to be washed. Absolutely right. Very good. The carpet needs to be washed. Very good. Okay, now guys, अभी तक हमने किया infinitive passive. अभी हम लोग करेंगे infinitive modals. अब infinitive modals में क्या होगा? मतलब वहाँ पे should या कुछ रहेगा वहाँ पे. तो वहाँ पे to नहीं आएगा. To नहीं आएगा, लेकिन be and past participle will come. So this time for Devabruto. Someone should shut these doors at night.
রুমুলি দাও।
Someone should shut these doors at night.
Sir, I don't know what is the past participle of shut, S-H-U-T.
Short, na, that is called shut.
Shut. Yes, sir.
Shut का past participle भी shut होता है.
Okay, okay. At night, should be shut these doors.
Should be shut these doors.
Yes, sir. यहाँ पे तो टू नहीं होगा, अब तो वही बोला.
हाँ, to तो नहीं होगा. At
Yes, sir.
night, to be तो नहीं होगा.
Yes, sir. Should be. Should be shut.
Should be shut.
Yes, sir. These doors.
Okay, yeah, Rishita.
Sir. Or can I try one thing, please?
Yeah,
Give me
yeah.
one
Tell
more chance.
me.
Yes, sir. These doors should be shut at night.
These doors should be
Should be
shut at night.
At night. Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Manushi, are you there? Rishita?
Sir, should this door be shut at night?
Should this door? This is not a question.
तो पहले modal verb आएगा ना, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा.
पहला तो हमने नहीं बोला कि सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होगा मॉडल वर्ब से. मैंने तो नहीं बोला ऐसा. मैंने बोला सेंटेंस में मॉडल रहेगा, बी रहेगा, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल रहेगा. वो बीच में रहे ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला.
These doors should be shut at night. ये होगा तो.
This door should be shut at night. Manushi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
क्या लग रहा है?
These doors should be shut at night. These doors should be shut at night. Yes.
Yes.
Very
yes.
good, very good. You people are
Correct,
so
correct, correct,
you know
correct.
so intelligent right now. These doors should be shut
Yes, sir.
at night.
सर हम पहले सोचे
At
कि
night.
एट नाइट तो पहले नहीं होगा, दिस डोर्स पहले होगा. हम तो sure हम वही सोच रहा है, इसलिए हम चेंज करेगा बाद में.
Very good. Okay, guys. Last for the evening. He may open this window, but that one must stay closed. He may open this window, but that one must stay closed.
Oh my God.
Keep trying, keep trying.
He may open this window.
Yes, he may open this window, but that one must stay closed. मतलब वो ये विंडो तो खोल सकता है, लेकिन वो विंडो बंद रहना चाहिए. But that one must stay closed. So इसको मानुषी आप कैसे बोलोगे?
I am.
Yes, Manushi.
Sir, I am trying. One must stay closed. He may open this window.
Try करो.
Oh my God.
One must be stay closed.
सबके सर पे हाथ सबके सर पे हाथ आ गया, मतलब जरूर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है.
Sir, can I try?
Sir, one must stay close.
One.
That one must stay close. He may be open this window. No.
Sir,
No.
can I try?
Yeah,
Oh my
Devbro.
God.
Yes, sir. Can I try, sir?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. He may open this window, but one must be closed.
One must be stay close. One must be stay close. Stay close.
Yeah, Rishita, what do you suggest?
इसमें मेरा भी दिमाग नहीं लग रहा है, पैसिव करना है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं देख रही हूँ.
He may open this window, but that one must stay closed. आपका मीनिंग निकलना चाहिए और आपका सेंटेंस इतना बड़ा नहीं होगा. एक सेंटेंस में खत्म करो इसको.
Sir, can I try one more? Please give me
Yeah.
a chance.
Yeah, Devabrata.
He may open this window, but one must be stayed.
One must be stayed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, last. ज़्यादा नहीं है time.
May I
जल्दी
try?
1 minute.
Stayed तो
So may I
नहीं
try?
हुआ तो.
अच्छा, Sabrine is a. Sabrine, you want to try? You can try.
Yes. So is this voice change?
It is a voice change, but we call this passive infinitive and modals. So you have
Sir,
to
he may-
use be and past
This window
participle.
may,
Yeah, Sabrine,
Sir,
this
he
right?
window
may
may be
be-
opened.
Just a minute.
This window
Sabrine,
may be opened by him.
the window may be opened. But see, you are right, but this is something different. Okay. These sentences, these are passive, but this is more advanced passive. So you will see how these sentences are made. Rishita, you want to try last?
No, sir, no. Show me the
Sir,
answer.
Sir, I can one more chance, sir. Last,
Yeah,
he,
last.
sir, he
Yes,
may
sir.
be open this window. Open this window. One must stay closed.
He
Sir,
may be
no, he
open.
may.
One.
Yes, sir.
He may be opened his window.
Yes, he may be open this window.
Sir, this window may be opened, but one must stay closed. This
Oh my
window,
God.
this window may be open, but
हो जाएगा, sir.
one must stay closed.
অনেক
This
বড়
window
sentence.
may be open, but one must stay closed. Let's see.
Let's see क्या होता है. This window may be opened, but that one must stay closed. Okay, this window may be open, but one must that one
सर
must
मुझे
stay
क्या लगा, ये तो पैसिव है, हम ही क्यों लेके आ रहे हैं बार बार, तभी मेरा दिमाग खुला कि हाँ ये ही
No,
तो नहीं
even Sabrine was also, I think, was trying to say the same thing. But anyhow, I was trying to make you guys also confused. But this is a very easy passive. We have been doing it since long.
सर
You are
दो
change-
मॉडल आ गया ना इधर, इसीलिए कंफ्यूजन हो
Yeah,
गया
yeah,
कि लास्ट
yeah,
वाला
yeah.
में भी मॉडल है, तो
Very
कौन
good.
सा मॉडल को करना है वही.
हाँ हाँ closed है ना वहाँ पे, वही तो सोच रहा है हम.
तो यहाँ पे तो already must stay closed
But
हो गया ना,
It's
तो
very
आप
easy sentences.
very easy sentence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, I think this is the okay. Yes, this is the last one, and I'm inviting everyone to try. Everyone, those who are here, I'm inviting everyone to try. This is the last one. How will you speak in passive sentence? They could give Alice a prize for her artwork. Everyone.
Sir, Alice means what?
Alice is the name of a girl.
सर
Okay.
कैन आई.
Just a minute. Rishita छोड़ के सब लोग try करो.
हाँ एक है.
Sir, मैं बोल सकती हूँ.
हाँ, Sabrine, tell me.
Alice could be given by them a prize for her artwork.
Alice could be given a prize by them for her artwork. Okay. Okay, well tried. Devobroto,
I'm thinking just well.
you keep thinking. Yeah, Manushi.
Alice could be given a prize for her artwork.
Okay. People are chatting. I don't know what is. Okay, Ravindra. Okay, Ravindra, good evening. We are going to start. Just give me some time. Yeah, the Rishita, last.
Yes, sir. Can I try?
Yeah, Devobroto, tell me.
Alice could be given a prize for her artwork.
Artwork.
Artwork, yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Yeah, Rishita.
Yes, Alice could be given a prize for her artwork.
Okay, let's see the final. Alice could be given a prize for her
Oh,
artwork.
yeah.
Very good, very nice. Even Sabrine also said the same thing. You know, Sabrine, what happened? You used that they by them. So normally, you know, while we speak in English in passive sentences, the subject part is not that important. So that's the reason sometimes we don't use by them or by her or by him. The main sentence is Alice could be given a prize for her art. So it was a very great work done by everyone, guys. Thank you very much. Now we are ending the grammar session here.